Jenny Yeager and her boyfriend Hugh, they're both still in school down at Southern in Hattiesburg, just down the road.
It's really encouraging to us to see more and more young people who want to live in a small town like ours.
We have this house, it's my family house. It's my childhood home I grew up in. After Katrina hit, it kind of took a big blow. The whole neighborhood did, and houses around it have been torn down. You know, my dad left this house to me when he passed away, and this is the only place we ever lived together. All of my memories with him are there, and I don't want to let that go.
This one's yours?
Yeah, this is it, and if you want to kind of see it from the front.
I don't know, y'all. This is pretty bad.
Cosmetically, I would love to open up the porch again.
Yeah,
The
absolutely.
way it would have been originally. It's mostly worried about foundation
And with $120,000, you know, this was an inherited house. There's no purchase price. Like all in budget would be for renovation.
which goes a lot further than 70, which is kind of
Exactly.
like what you had to work with other houses.
It's a good screen door.
Oh yeah, wonderful.
Whoa.
As you can see, it definitely needs some work in this front room.
These walls actually,
This is cool.
Yeah, my grandfather got these like imported from somewhere for my grandparents' anniversary. We always call this the blue room.
The blue room.
Yes.
Okay. Coffered ceiling.
Yes, so super high ceilings. I guess it's supposed to be like a formal dining room, but we would love for this to be more of like, I don't know, like a music type of space. You know, our records, the record player, things like that, like an entertainment type of space. So this right here is the living room.
This room is gorgeous.
Yeah.
I love
It's huge.
these.
I like how open it is in here too.
Yeah. There's no rot in here. This looks like good.
There's actually a fireplace on both sides of this wall.
Yes, and then this is the master.
Huge.
Yeah,
Yeah,
a lot of
big
space,
master.
another fireplace.
What we have in here.
This is the hallway / bathroom. Yeah, it's in pretty bad shape. There's some plants growing inside.
Yeah.
And this is the kitchen.
This is ceiling's a little strange. I don't think you need a checkerboard on your ceiling.
It's a weird space.
It's weird that there's no windows that's in the interior of the house, but this could be a back porch behind this wall, right?
Yeah, exactly, because originally that was exterior.
Yeah.
I'm pumped about this house. What do you think we ought to build? Mahogany, you can it holds up to moisture.
You could use it for like bookcases, shelving. You really need doors between the master bedroom and the living room, and like French doors, but they wouldn't have glass, they'd be solid wood.
I ain't building no French doors. Just flip it over. Now do you know why I didn't want to build these doors?
You're a woodworker, ain't you?
As far as Erin's concerned, we're not building doors. I left it as, I don't have time for that. That's too much work. Just dropping the flat panels in there, they look great. The door is gonna look beautiful.
These are awesome.
Woo! Oh my gosh, these doors are amazing. You built these doors?
Just lean it up.
You said you wouldn't have time.
And I didn't.
All right, I have everything here. I have the light kit. Mallory and I are working on the light fixtures for the entryway.
Yeah, the baskets.
Yes. And this is like one of those fishing baskets, and they're shapeable. Like I've added strings so that we can form them in whatever shape we want and get it to hold. I kind of like those. What do you think? I do too. Yeah? Yeah. But they're that wheat color that I love so much that we're using on the fireplace mantle and in the floors.
And
And in the caning and the speaker box that's coming. So
hold it up.
Awesome.
Isn't it cool?
Pretty cool.
Yes. Because Jenna loves that minimalist Scandinavian style, it's important that we don't let the house feel too full of stuff. But also you don't want it to feel like a museum gallery, just empty. Can you imagine that this could have been torn down? Like, look at this house. And Jenna's gonna come home for the first time since she was a little girl.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
You love it?
Oh, I love it so much. Look at it.
That is like a different
Look at that
house,
front
though.
porch. You got a front porch?
Yeah.
It is a huge transformation.
Green
Oh
chair.
my gosh.
This isn't the same house at all.
Look at the bookshelves.
So these are the original bookshelves. We put a face frame on them.
I love the light fixtures.
Yeah. Nice little bench here.
Yeah.
That's cool.
You talked about the bench. So this is the mahogany.
This right
from
here?
the room.
Oh my goodness, it looks so good. It's like finished.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
wow.
And look
Oh,
at
the
the
doors.
doors. Can I touch the paint?
Oh,
it's
my goodness.
Oh my goodness. You can see the column through the wall.
Yep, we decided to keep those.
Oh, there's a couple of my paintings.
Oh my goodness.
The armoire. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The armoire.
Yeah.
It's the green. The hexagon floor tile. Look at that bathtub.
Oh, it's one big room now. It's not.
Yeah.
One huge room. I love the detail on this shower. Oh my gosh. Look at the backsplash
Oh wow, there's light in here, and you can see.
and the countertops.
I mean, the porch.
Gotta go see.
Pulled up all the flooring, put down new decking. Thank you so much for saving this house.
Thank y'all.
you
Y'all did the
guys.
saving.
It will always be the Jaeger house. So
We get a painting. Oh my gosh, and we get to keep this?
you get to
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna hang
It's
it right there in the
yours.
record room.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
You're
Definitely
so
the talk
welcome.
of the town.
Congratulations.
Thank you.